The story of Pip and Leo teaches us that the secret of joy, which can make you feel young at any age, is all about sharing it with others. Here's how. In a sunny meadow filled with wildflowers lived a bouncy brown rabbit named Pip. Pip wasn't your average rabbit. He wasn't just interested in munching on clover. He reveled in spreading joy wherever he went. His favorite pastime was hopping from burrow to burrow, sharing funny stories and silly songs that made everyone erupt in laughter. One day Pip met a young boy named Leo who was sitting alone by a stream, kicking a pebble glumly. Pip, never one to shy away from a droopy ear, hopped right up to Leo. "Hello there," Pip chirped. "Why the long face?" Leo sighed. "Everyone else seems to be having so much fun," he mumbled. "But I don't know how to make others happy." Pip's whiskers twitched. "Making others happy isn't about grand gestures," he explained. "It's about sharing the little things that bring a smile to your face." Intrigued, Leo followed Pip through the meadow. Pip showed him how to skip stones across the water, turning frowns upside down with each satisfying plop. He taught Leo a silly dance that involved hopping on one leg and wiggling your nose, which left them both in fits of giggles. By the end of the day, Leo's frown was replaced with a wide grin. He discovered the joy of sharing laughter and silly fun, just like Pip. From then on, Leo and Pip became the best of friends. Together, they became the meadow's resident happiness committee. They'd surprise grumpy groundhogs with bouquets of dandelions, teach shy field mice silly jokes, and organize races for the playful baby rabbits. Their infectious joy became a beacon, spreading like sunshine throughout the meadow. One day, a new family of foxes moved in on the edge of the meadow. Everyone was nervous. Foxes were known for being mischievous. But Pip wouldn't let fear stop him from sharing his sunshine. He hopped right up to the fox kits, offering them juicy berries and a playful game of tag. The kits, surprised by Pip's friendliness, eagerly joined in. Soon, the whole fox family was laughing and having fun with the meadow folk. Leo, watching from afar, realized Pip's secret. Sharing joy wasn't about expecting something in return. It was about the act itself, the pure pleasure of making someone else's day a little brighter. And that, Leo understood, was a secret worth sharing with everyone he met. The meadow, once filled with nervous whispers, became a vibrant community where everyone, from rabbits to foxes, shared laughter and sunshine, all thanks to Pip, the little rabbit with a big heart. Moral of the story: sharing little things. Big gestures are great, but even small acts of kindness or fun can brighten someone's day. Finding joy in simple things, laughter, games, and spending time with others are all great ways to create happiness. Spreading the feeling. When you share your joy with others, it multiplies. The more people who are happy, the happier the whole community becomes. Pip teaches Leo that joy isn't a pie. There's plenty to go around. By sharing his positive outlook and sense of fun, Pip makes the entire meadow a happier place. And that, in turn, makes Pip happy too.